Managing a cleaning team can be overwhelming. Important details shouldn't be buried in paper files and spreadsheets. BuiltToClean Manager organizes recruiting, employee records, and attendance seamlessly. Check out our recruitment tracking. Easily add a new applicant, enter details, save, and see them listed instantly. Ready to advance an applicant? Simply select the stage, save, and your list updates. Moving multiple applicants? Select, choose the stage, and save effortlessly. Our employee section contains all employee records. Adding an employee is straightforward. Fill details like hire date and birth date, and receive future reminders. In the employee profile, manage tasks and reminders like check-ins, pay raises, or reviews. Add them easily to get notified when due. Conduct and discipline are covered too. Track all disciplinary actions here. Add a new record if needed with ease. Documents are handled next. Upload important documents like applications, reviews, or conduct paperwork effortlessly. Attendance tracking is streamlined as well. Logging absences is simple. Choose an employee, reason, status, dates, and save. Set alerts to notify you when thresholds like unexcused absences are met. Set up new rules with ease. Customize to suit your needs. These rules trigger an alert on your dashboard so you never miss attendance issues. Employee management is just one feature of BuiltToClean Manager, designed by an experienced cleaning company. Try our 14-day free trial at BuiltToClean.com and get started today with BuiltToClean Manager.